Harley. Installation tool. Do that.
Mm-hmm. Original.
Builds up heat tolerance too. And these are definitely heat treated. Not just case hard, they're hard. Give me. It's more like a rubbing action than a cutting action.
Mm-hmm.
That's a carbide bit. Well, then people want almost as hard as a carbide.
Yeah.
It does deburr. Knocks the edge off. This is our valve seal clearance. Chips are hot. Oh no, that's that didn't sound hard at all, did it? See, it actually does take the edge off.
Very nice.
It's more like it chips it off because it just wears it away. Just like the bit. Here's the popcorn down here, Santa. It's all the burnt chips.
Yep.
They're hard. Even the chips are hard. All right, these are done. Okay, we're running out of things again. Remember, we're getting close. Okay, decision time.
Okay.
No. 1, 2. This is 2. This is 3.
What do you feel like doing?
I don't feel like doing anything.
Let's go home then. Let's call it a day.
My knee hurts still.
Yeah.
Not as bad as yesterday.
Yeah.
He's letting me know. I don't know. These here we got to cut the port outlet bigger because it's got a little porting on it.
Mm-hmm.
These ones here are stock, so you don't do any porting. Not that I wouldn't do it anyway, but
Well, it's always a good thing, right?
so your call. Dead air's face.
I know. Dead air. Dead air. Dead air. All right.
Close up, we'll figure it out.
Yeah.